All right, everybody, we're here at K-Biz. We're going over the Bosch Home Connect coffee maker. We're gonna have Alexa do some morning ritual with us. She's gonna make us a little bit of coffee, and I'm not even gonna do anything but stand here, all right? So we got the Amazon Alexa right here. Alexa, ask Home Connect coffee maker to prepare espresso. Start. Let's check it out, guys. So right now it's preparing it. It's grinding the beans. It'll tamper it right now and pack it. Pretty soon it'll just jump out some right coffee. Let's make sure we're all good. There we go, extracting some beans. Nice and hot. All right, guys, check this out. Perfect espresso. We're here at K-Biz in the morning. I got my coffee. See you later. Bye. That's good.